Well, leadership is not an assertion of yourself, but the art of fulfilling everyone's aspirations. If you want to be a leader, I would say you're a tyrant. It is just that when your longings, your desires, your aspirations become larger than yourself, that is, your desires include everybody around you, naturally you become a leader. Not because you want to be one, because people will wish you are one, simply because your way of thinking, feeling and action has become inclusive. It is out of one's inclusiveness that one becomes a leader, not because of a personal aspiration or ambition. So this is very important. One must understand, being a leader does not mean throwing your weight around. It simply means that you have surrendered your time and life to fulfill the aspirations of many. This is the basis of leadership. If you maintain this basis, you will be a wonderful leader, whatever the arena of life, whatever the scale of leadership you manage in your life. But every human being has an opportunity to be a leader, and that's only possible when your desires include everybody's aspirations around you.